So all that moving around with FOMC, and basically we went nowhere. So where do we go from here? As I had said in a previous video, my ultimate target is around here at 58.30. Okay. So what does it look like? It looks like still that we did this bear flag here, right? Came down, right? Liberation Day, that wasn't Liberation Day. Market collapsed, and now we're down here, right? So the next level for me, we recovered, right? We went up here. Market technically, well, yeah, the market came up to here, which is around 5,500, came down, right? And while some people are calling that a bull flag, it's kind of compressed. We are rejecting this trend line up here from the February 25th high, the 19th, right? Where POTUS won, then he started his tariff talk. That line is actually rejecting. So what I'm looking for is the market either come back into Monday, come and test 55.70. Again, this trend line really hasn't retested. It's defending right here at 56.45. But I suspect here, if we break under 55.70, then it's waterfalls. We're coming back down. And then we have, as we had said before, that this was a possible, right here, let me show you guys, that this could be right here a double top, right? So that would confirm if this line come, sorry about that. Let me get rid of that. So that would confirm if this rejects here and we break under 55.70, minimum, we're coming back down to retest the 55.15 that hasn't found any liquidity, or we're making new lows, 5,700 all the way. I mean, we have dark pools all the way down to prices no one's seen since 1987. But remember that with the circuit breakers, the market cannot collapse. It's 5%, 7%, then 15%, and then the market closes. Or the market comes here at 55.70, then comes out to here to 6,200. If we defend 55.70, take a long, because if we break above right here, let's just say the high of what would have been the double top, the 58.30, right? If we break there, then market's going to come back at least to all-time highs, right? Retest the February high, and if that breaks out, we're going to visit 6,600 to get some folks that printed dark pools up here. So the two levels that we want to watch out for again are the double top at around 58.30, or if this turns out to be what I suspect, again, going into bull season, that this is one shoulder. It's a little bit broad, but right here you have another shoulder, and then this could be another shoulder here, and then it's liftoff, right? This is what I think it's going to be. Inverse head and shoulders into seasonality, all-time highs by around July 28th. If not a test again of this high at the end of the month. Bull season is from April 15th to July 28th. Now, I normally bull season would go into August, but because of all this terror stuff, I suspect that we're going to come back up here, get everybody out, and then in August, we're going to start feeling the pain from all these terrorist supply chain issues, all this stuff that we're hearing about regarding, shippers not shipping and so on and so forth. So that's my take on the matter. But the levels that you want to watch out for are the 58.30 or the breakdown of 55.70. So what you could do is, again, the market goes up more than it goes down. So if we keep defending these levels, 56.45 or 55.70, you're taking longs, right? Why would you short after a drawdown? At the very least, I want a back test of what could be a double top. Very, very possible it's a double top, but I want to see a back test of 58.30, because if I short here, you could take a short on this line, but if you short and you don't put a stop loss, and all of a sudden some more bullish news comes out, boom, we're going nosebleeds. And as you can tell with the VIX is cooling off. Markets are not nervous. So remember, we can have a double top or inverse head and shoulder, but play your levels on this area. If we keep rejecting this trend line, we're downside, or we can hit right here and blast off and go bullish into, again, bull season. So take it one level at a time. If you'd like to learn how we do this, what AI tools we use, and all the techniques that we use, comment course below or email us, and we'd love to show you how we beat the market.